In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your camera on or off in a Google Meet meeting on your Mac or desktop computer. Whether you're joining business meetings, classes, or a virtual hangout, knowing how to manage your camera efficiently can make your experience smoother and more comfortable. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to navigate to Google Meet, open your preferred web browser and type in meetgoogle.com in the address bar. Press enter and you will be directed to the Google Meet homepage. This is your starting point for all your Google Meet sessions. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in using your Google account credentials. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. You want to click on Start an Instant Meeting. This is a simple way to open a new session quickly without scheduling anything in advance. When you click this button, Google Meet will take you directly into a new meeting room where you can adjust your settings. After entering the meeting room, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a series of vertical dots, which represents more options or settings. Click on that icon and a menu will appear. Among the options, look for something labeled Settings and go ahead and click on it. This will open a panel where you can personalize various elements of your Google Meet experience. Within the settings menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Video. Selecting this will bring up the video settings. Here, you'll see options related to your camera. You can choose which camera the application should use if you have multiple connected. For those who prefer privacy or wish to conserve bandwidth, you can easily disable the camera by toggling it off. On the other hand, to ensure you're visible to others, make sure your camera is toggled on. Keep in mind, if you're having trouble with your camera not responding or displaying properly, it might be a good idea to check your computer's privacy settings. Sometimes applications or operating systems can block camera access by default. Ensuring that your browser has permission to use the camera can resolve these issues. And there you have it, you've just mastered the process of turning your camera on or off in a Google Meet meeting using a Mac or desktop computer. With these steps you can enter any meeting with confidence, knowing you're in complete control of your video settings. Thanks for joining today and happy meeting.